Teaching is the gateway to spark passion where every lesson shapes a life. And every life creates moments and transforms the world. In Blades, we create tools to help teachers deliver a unique hybrid experience. To create a course that is interactive, creative, and innovative. A course that is accessible anytime, anywhere. And customized to the learner's mindset, whether they are a visual learner, theoretical learner, or a practical learner. We cover medical and dental disciplines, business, management, and much more. Available through a website and a phone application. What's in it for you? You shall inspire future leaders. Create a customized experience. Expand your network. And generate profit. Join worldwide elite doctors, dentists, professors, and educators who share a similar vision in transforming dentistry and medicine. Be a part in revolutionizing healthcare education. Blades, sharpen your knowledge.